Okay, I created a PDF regarding all of the logins that you will be using for web development. The main login, the student login for Pinellas County Schools, is provided to you on a memo sheet. I go ahead and email that to you or hand it to you in class. You need to make sure you keep this with you because this is what you're going to use to sign on to the lab computers. Also, at the bottom of the memo sheet, you will get an Office 365 URL along with your student email address and a password that you must change after the first login. This will allow you to have access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, which is free for Pinellas County or for Pinellas Technical College students. You will first need to check your student email in order to activate. Let me just go ahead and go down here. Your LinkedIn Learning, which is what provides video tutorials. And we use this to also help out with assignments to go beyond the textbook. So everything is on here for your logins. Another thing that's free for web development students is Adobe Creative Cloud. I get that a lot. How do I sign on Adobe? How do I download products like Illustrator and Photoshop, which is covered in OCPB 1. So you must follow these instructions. Geometrics is what we use for practice tests. Remember that only the trainings count for your grades, but if you want to take the industry certification test, you must get a 90% or above on the actual practice test. Other things that you will need logins for are Codecademy, CodePen, and Slack, but these are not PCS related. So you would have to just provide either your personal email address or sign up with your Facebook or Google account. And please keep track of your logins and passwords. I keep all of mine on my phone or somewhere where you can just quickly go to it and not need to ask me to provide you with the password over again because it becomes a big hassle with a lot of students. Blackboard login is here, and then finally FileZilla. So FileZilla is going to be covered in the next videos, but pretty much what you're doing is I provided an example. Remember that our host server is ptcwebdev.com. This is part of the two-part process of where you upload your assignment to FileZilla and then you submit it to Blackboard via a link. So these are the instructions to access FileZilla, and then also how to access your folder from a browser so that you can see everything that you uploaded to FileZilla. Because FileZilla is only there to transfer files. You won't be necessarily able to open the file, but you can preview it or open it going to the browser. Okay, I would definitely either save this or print this and keep it on your thumb drive. And then this was accessible through the Getting Started page. So if you go to Getting Started, it'll be here on their logins. Okay, thanks.